B. You're so beautiful. C. You're a cutie full of charms. E. D. You're a darling and E. You're exciting and F. You're a feather in my arms. C. E. G. You look good to me. You look good to me. H. You are so heavenly. I. You are the only one I idolize. H. J. We're like Jack and Jill.
Yeah.
K. You're so kissable. L. Is the love light in your eyes? N. C. No, that's not C. N. L. P. I could go on all day. No. Oh. No, we need to know the L word. This is Q. Next one? No, that's O. Okay. No, that's Q. Yeah, what is this one? I. S. I. T. Alphabetically speaking, you're okay. W. Q. U. U. Made my life complete. Made my life complete. B. Means you're very sweet.
Oh, this is the one. This is the one.
W. X.
Oh. Yeah.
Y. Z. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Yay.
It's fun to wander through the alphabet with you to tell you what you mean to me.
Aww.